In this Inkscape video, I'm going to show you how to change smooth nodes to corner nodes and corner nodes to smooth nodes. I have several objects here and I have converted them all to paths. I'll start by clicking the Nodes tool. That brings up this tool's control bar. I'm going to show you how to use these 4 icons. I'm going to click this path to select it, and then click this node to select it. This node is a smooth node. It has handles, the node is square, and the line it forms is a curved line. Now I'm going to click this path and then select this node. This node is a corner node. It has handles, but they're contracted so you can't see them. Its shape is a diamond, and it forms straight lines. I'm now going to go back to this path and show you how I can convert this node into a corner node. I've clicked it and selected it, and then all I have to do is click this icon. And in the version of Inkscape that I have to click it twice. The node has been changed from a smooth node to a corner node. Now you'll notice that the line isn't a straight line like the line you see here. That's because while this is a corner node, these two nodes are smooth nodes. So it'll begin to create a straight line and then curve. This feature is useful. I often create teardrops, and here's how I do it. I start with an oval shape, and then I select the bottom node, and then click this icon twice, and I have my teardrop. Okay. If I wanted to change this path to a corner that looked like this, I would hold down my Shift key, select this node, and then select this node, and then click this icon. And now I have 3 corner nodes. All right, I'm going to come over here and change this corner node to a smooth node. So I'll click the node to select it, and I can click this icon or this icon. I'm going to select this icon, and as you can see, it changed the node from a corner node to a smooth node. What I want you to notice is how the handles work. When I drag this handle outward, you can notice it gets longer and pulls this segment out with it. But the length of this handle stays the same, and this segment is not pulled out. If I rotate the handle up or down, that does have an effect on this segment, but pulling the handle in and out has no effect. And just so you know, you can work with either handle. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this path and then select this node, and I'm also going to convert it to a smooth node, but this time I'm going to click this icon. So Inkscape's converted it to a smooth node, but look what happens when I pull my handle. The other handle moves in a symmetrical fashion. When I go up and down, also it impacts both segment on both sides of the node. So you can see as I drag this handle, it always works in a symmetrical fashion. Okay. So now I want to show you something else. I have this path. I'm going to click it, select these two nodes, and then I'm going to add two nodes to it. I'll add one here and one here. Then I'm going to select both of these nodes and click this icon. You'll notice that the node is now a circle. When I drag it, creates this really beautiful curve. And whenever you drag any of these nodes, you'll always get a really nice, beautiful curve, no matter how you drag it. But there's something you should know about this node. By the way, it's called Auto Smooth, or the official name for the icon is Make Selected Nodes Auto Smooth. I just call it Auto Smooth for short. But the thing that you should notice about or be aware of with an Auto Smooth node is if you make any adjustments to the handle or any adjustments to the segment, the Auto Smooth node will change to a regular smooth node. So if I drag my handle down, you'll see that it changed the handle to a smooth node. If I make an adjustment to this segment, you'll see that my node has changed to a regular smooth node.